How to add Instagram story more than 15 seconds. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you put Instagram story more than 15 seconds. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that Instagram now automatically split the stories into 60-second segments, like no more 15-second cuts like before. So if your video is under 1 minute, just you can simply upload it normally and no extra app is needed. For that, simply open the Instagram app. After you open Instagram, you'll have to just swipe left from your home screen, and from your select a video up to 60-second, like it will post as an smooth story. After you add your video, you can simply add any music on your video, like for that tap on music icon at the top. From here, you can choose multiple audio that are available for Instagram. After you choose the audio, simply tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right. And from here, simply tap on share option at the bottom. After you tap on that, you'll be able to upload or add your Instagram story more than 15 seconds. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.